we will be discussing about digital sales. So what are the ways and what are the channels that you can focus upon when it comes to an online business? So when we talk about digital sales, so there are various channels on which you can list your products and services, and you can sell it to your target audience. And I've seen many entrepreneurs wherein they say that, I have my own website, or maybe I am on social media since a very long time and I'm not able to generate sales. So when we talk about digital sales, it is not about a single channel. It is you will have to take a 360-degree approach to get that traction and to achieve good numbers in the online space. Of course, when you start, you need to start with a particular channel, but then over a period, you need to take this approach wherein you are present on maximum channels in the online space to sell your products and services. So now, what are these channels, and where you can focus to sell your products and services? So I'll explain this as per your business model. So if you're into a B2C business model wherein you're selling your products and services directly to the end consumer, so in that case, you can have your own website and your own mobile application. The second best channel is listing your products on the marketplace. So there are many marketplaces that are available. So we know about Amazon and Flipkart. So there are other marketplaces like, of course, Myntra and Pepperfry. So Pepperfry, again, it's a marketplace. Now this marketplace is specific to an industry. So Pepperfry is specific to furniture. So on similar grounds, you also need to find out any marketplaces that are available which is specific to your products and services. And of course, we have marketplaces wherein all products are being listed, all products can be listed. So that marketplaces like, of course, Amazon and Flipkart. And the third channel is you can look for digital partnerships with non-competing partners. So to give you an example, if you are into a business of jewelry, you can partner with another company who are into events, or who are into organizing marriage events. So you can take your products and services to their target audience, and they can take their products and services to your target audience. Now, when we talk about but I'm talking about digital partnerships. So taking your target audience digitally to their target audience. So maybe you should also have a website. They should also have a website. You should have a social media page wherein you're talking about, or maybe you are giving a good review of their services. They are giving a good review on their social media page about your services. So that is how you're trying to reach out to their target audience, and they are trying to reach out to your target audience, and it is a win-win situation. So second type business model is a B2B business model. So if you are targeting to sell to businesses and you are not focusing on the end consumer. So in case of B2B business models, again, having your own website is highly recommended. And of course, there are many marketplaces available to list your products if for B2B sales as well. So a few marketplaces are like industrybuying.com, Amazon Business. So Amazon Business is for B2B selling. Udaan is another great platform for B2B selling. IndiaMart and Just Dial. So again, when we talk about IndiaMart and Just Dial, they will help you to get visibility for your of your brand, of your products and services. And whereas when we talk about Amazon, Udaan, Industry Buying, so over here you can list your product, and that can even a direct buying or direct selling can happen through these marketplaces. So again, try to analyze the competitors. So on Google, you can just put in these names like Amazon Business, and you can type as competitors. So you can get a list of other marketplaces also for B2B or maybe even B2C, and talk to them. And if you think that that marketplace is good for your product, and try to list your products over there. Now, third is if you're into services. So if you're selling services to customers or to your clients, so in services, having your own website, I would say not highly recommended, but it is a must to have your own website. So when we talk about your own website, at least having a landing page on your website is important. So having your own website is something which you should not miss out on. And you can also list your services on various marketplaces. So if you're a freelancer, or maybe you're just starting a small business on the online space, so you can list your services on Upwork, freelancer.com, Clutch. And I've also given a few examples which is very specific to an industry. So like software advice and tech jockey is very specific. If you're selling, if you have a product which is a software, and if you want to sell it online. So again, specific to your products, try to find out marketplaces which is specific to your services as well. So this is how you need to be present on these various channels. So there are a lot of opportunities when it comes to online space, and you need to ensure that you are trying to adopt, or you are trying to list yourself, or sell your products and services through various channels. Now when we talk about these sales channels, so we have seen a lot of sales channels where you can list your products and services. But then there are two approaches when we talk about adopting these channels. So when we talk about short-term approach, you need to develop a proof of concept. So POC is a proof of concept. So start if you're into to give an example, if you're into products or services, so start with the marketplace. List down your products on the marketplace and try to analyze the movement of your products. Try to analyze the feedback that you receive from your customers. Try to generate few sales on the marketplaces. Try to push sales on the marketplace, and analyze the feedback. What is the feedback that you're getting from the customers? Is it a good review? It is a bad review? And especially you should keep an eye on the bad review. Don't try to run away from the bad reviews or get demotivated from the bad reviews. In fact, you should go forward and talk to these customers and try to understand that why are you getting these bad reviews. And when we talk about proof of concept stage, you should work on these bad reviews. You should ensure that you're working on the feedback which your customers are not liking it, and try to rework on it, and then again try to improvise your product and get it into the market. So that is the stage of proof of concept wherein you're trying to test the waters. Moving next is about the long-term approach. So once you are aware, so once you know that these are the drawbacks and this is what my customers are not liking, and this is where I have reworked on it, and once even if maybe on marketplace you have listed on 20 products, and you know that maybe out of these 20 products, these 5 products are the fast sellers. So you also know that these are my fast sellers, and then you can also get in complementary products related to your fast sellers. So that is a stage. Once you are aware of your proof of concept, then you start taking a long-term approach, and wherein in the long-term approach you start investing more money. You start investing into team members. You start hiring good team members at the back end who can help you grow your business. So that is how you need to take a short-term approach wherein you develop your proof of concept, and then in the long-term approach you start investing money. So I've seen entrepreneurs who make mistakes in both these approaches. So maybe sometimes in the short-term approach, if you're getting a feedback, you are not working on that feedback. And once you have a good product which is sellable online, so I've seen entrepreneurs, they don't take the long-term approach wherein they still go frugal, and then they don't invest the required time, money, and the resources into the business. So because of which you may also lose on the opportunities that you already have.